me, Lovely Lady Cake. So I was tagged by Mickey's Pantry to show you guys what's inside my fridge, and then I'm gonna tag a few more of my chef friends because we are wanting to know what is in everybody's fridges. So let's take a look. Top shelf. Oh, butter that's butter, lemon. We've got truffle oil, capers, milk. Gotta have the half and half. Soy sauce, some other kind of Asian sauce. Gotta have your country bobs. More marinating. I like beef, orange juice, egg whites. Oh yeah. And then as you can see, it's been a creme brulee day. Got lots of creme brulee, mayonnaise, a turkey. Let's see. Tomatoes, cheese. Meat. The husband likes beer. Raspberries, cottage cheese, thyme. Parmesan. Bananas that are brown for banana bread. Lots of cream because I bake a lot. Oh, look, you found my wine. Some chorizo. You got to have that. It's good. Sprite. Yeah, and then in the freezer it's really boring. I've got more frozen egg whites, coffee, mochi, yum, a frozen cheesecake, because when do I have time to eat frozen cheesecake? Frozen cinnamon rolls, frozen pumpkin pie, So mostly everything in my fridge is things that I make and then I freeze. Alright, I'll tag you guys. See you later. Bye!
I've got a place of my own, a little place where I go. I sit alone and watch the hours roll by.